Rotary is made up of dedicated people who share the same ideals, a passion for community service and friendship. And while some are inspired in a traditional club experience, others want to dedicate their skills and resources to a single cause in their communities. That's why alternative club models, such as cause-based clubs, are impactful and expand our reach. These clubs organize programs, implement projects, and attract participants around a specific focus. For example, these two clubs in the United States have built their culture around environmental issues.
EcoClub membership is an opportunity to build new relationships, leadership skills, with a focus on environmental sustainability.
As newer clubs, they can establish their own norms that fit membership's needs.
Each month, we take a field trip to a speaker's place of business that focuses on protecting our planet's health.
Speakers are experts in sustainability or recycling, and the club's service projects focus on beautification and preservation of the planet. The successes are visible in the club's growing diverse membership. Explore a new club model. Attract new members and participants. Continue making an impact. Grow Rotary.